With a single Seyi servo press like this, you can do the work of a whole line of other presses, increasing your versatility and reducing your power consumption. In a single machine, you have the productivity of a mechanical press and the forming power of a hydraulic press, and that is a powerful combination. With the servo drive, you can use the vibration function to deliver increased drawing capability in a single stroke. Using the hit and dwell function, the servo press from Seyi can deliver multiple hit and dwell functionality. This significantly reduces spring-back issues that can typically occur when using advanced materials for auto components on conventional presses. The hit and dwell function also delivers increased forming performance that is especially effective for thin-walled complex parts. For the 3C and aerospace industries, the servo press gives you the option to hold the slide for a few seconds for the heating of components such as magnesium, titanium and other alloys prior to forming. With the servo-driven press, you only use power when the press is working. And because this 200-ton press can do the work of two 600-ton presses, the savings can have a huge impact on your operation. You can perform forging, drawing, blanking and many other operations all in a single press, reducing the number of presses you require and saving valuable workshop space while increasing your production capacity and flexibility. When you add together the power savings, the space savings and the increased production possibilities, choosing the servo press for your next investment is going to deliver immediate cost benefits for your organization. As standard, these presses come with a range of preset job functions. The slide motion is fully programmable in a servo press, so you can easily change the approach speed, hit rates and many other parameters so that this single servo press can perform the work of many other presses due to its flexible programming capabilities. This has a dramatic impact upon die life, as the hugely reduced vibration and precision movement of the servo-driven slide hugely extends die life. In this example, we can see a component that used to require two-step processes. Now, with the Seyi servo, this same component can be produced more quickly using a single 200-ton servo-driven press. Traditional presses rely on the kinetic energy stored in the flywheel to perform work. So, when you need more power, you'll need a bigger, heavier flywheel, turning even faster than before. But This is not the case with the servo press, so you can have a smaller press with increased power. Pendulum motion is another key advantage of the servo press. Traditional presses must complete a full turn for each stroke, with most of the energy wasted as work is only done at the very bottom of the stroke where they can deliver their full force. The Seyi servo press, however, can utilize its programmability to allow for pendulum-type pressing, increasing hit rates and reducing power utilization, whilst also allowing the full pressing force to be delivered from a greater height than is possible with traditional presses. With the servo press, you also benefit your working environment, as there is a significant reduction in noise produced once the flywheel is removed, of up to 20 decibels. Seyi Servo delivers an easy-to-use touchscreen control with preset slide motion profiles to suit the most common operator requirements. Seyi's special servo design delivers a high-torque, low RPM capability that cannot be achieved by other manufacturers. The Seyi SD1 servo press delivers increased production capabilities and versatility in a physically smaller press. With its customizable slide motion, this press delivers both mechanical and hydraulic press functionality, but with increased precision and reduced running costs, making this an unbeatable combination for your pressing operation.